Welcome back, guys. So we're going to be looking at the next tool, which is the stroke width tool. Alright, so let's get started. So the stroke width tool is to adjust the width of outlines on. Let's delete all of this first so you can see it clearly. Delete this picture. Let's unlock it here. Alright, so let's draw a rectangle. Right, and let's make this light gray. Let's give it a stroke of black. Let's increase the stroke here in this top left corner to 4. Right, now let's click on the stroke width tool. I see that the shortcut is W. Anyways, click on the outline and you drag, and you see this manipulates and give the curves on the outline. Increase the width or reduce it. You can come here, do it this way, do it this way, depending on how you want your design to be. Alright, so that's all for the stroke width tool. Then let's look at the fill tool. Let's Ctrl Z on all of these. Now let's look at the fill tool. So we have the first one. Under the fill, there's the fill tool and the transparency tool in the same section. So in the fill tool, now to apply this, we click on it, then we click and drag. Right, you can click here and change the color, or you click here and change the color here, depending on what you want to do. Right, let's add this. Let's add let's see, what color can we use here? Let's use let's move here. Okay, let's do this. I think this looks good. You can add another color in the middle by clicking on the line, on the horizontal line. Click here and choose your color wheel here. Yeah, you can see it here. You can make adjustments to the position here of the gradient. You can do this. Right. Let's change the color. Which one can we use here? I think this is awesome. It is. Yeah, so that is the fill tool. Now let's look at the next one, and that is the transparency tool. So this transparency tool, it gives the element a transparent background. For example, you can see this like this. Let's click on this. Are you seeing this? Right. Well, in order for you to see it better, let's create a rectangle around, like a background around this canvas. Alright, so let's make it black and send it behind. Let's go back to the transparency tool on this box, and you can see it makes these other parts transparent. So you can use like a form of blending. You can see this. I move this. It makes this bottom right transparent. Bottom right part transparent. Yeah, that's all for this lesson. See you guys on the next one.